Hey everybody, how you doing? So there's been some questions out there regarding this MXL144 mic that I'm using over here on the amp to actually mic it. And there's been some suggestions that you can improve the tone of this mic by changing out the transformer, because they're basically saying that the transformer inside isn't that great, and more importantly, and without going into the long technical explanation, it's not really matched to drive an XLR input on a preamp. It's really designed to drive a high impedance input, typical of what you'd use to directly plug into an instrument jack. Say like on your amp or on your preamp, where it's got like two instrument inputs, because basically it's saying the nature and the design of a ribbon mic is a lot like these pickups in the way that they're designed to drive a load and to drive the input circuitry of whatever you're driving. No more talking, let's just get straight to it. I'm going to play a couple things nice and simple using an XLR cable, and we're going to switch over to a TRS and see if there's any difference and what that difference is like. Here we go. And that is on the neck pickup. Let's flip over. Okay, so that was that. Now let's go flip the cable and see what it sounds like. So there you go. Yeah, it did get brighter, but I'm not necessarily sure that the brighter was a better brighter. In fact, I kind of like running with just a plain old XLR cable, because to me it has a fuller sound, I really hate saying it, warmer sound, which really kind of translates into more mid-range, especially more towards the bottom. So there you go. Yeah, it did get brighter, but I'm not necessarily sure that the brighter was a better brighter. In fact, I kind of like running with just a plain old XLR cable. Either way works, just depends on what you're looking for, but yes, the internet was right on this one.